if ever you are coming here to Agra, don't skip Agra Fort because this is a very wonderful and amazing structure. We are currently at Agra Fort and they're here. What do you want to say?
North Angle is only in Hindi.
Oh, Hindi. Okay, just speak in Hindi.
Now, अपने phone चले
What's up, vlog? They gave me the camera, so now I'm gonna do dumb stuff with it.
पानी bottle.
Pass it down.
Hi.
I hope he doesn't put this in.
We didn't think about that one.
we didn't think this through.
9:52 and we have reached our hotel. It was just a very short drive. Hopefully we can check in this early so that we can freshen up before we head out to explore. 11:54, we're about to leave the hotel for Agra Fort. We have finally reached Agra Fort, and along the way we saw our first glimpse of the Taj Mahal, but that one is for later. I am now seeing a very wonderful structure in front of me, so I will turn the camera around so you can also see. This is huge. Wow. So this is the entrance to Agra Fort, and really amazing. This architecture, just seeing it feels it's so old and it's so grand, and it must be a very important part of the Indian history. Situated on the west bank of the Yamuna, Agra Fort was built by the Emperor Akbar between 1565 and 1573. Its imposing red sandstone ramparts form a crescent along the riverfront and encompass an enormous complex of courtly buildings, ranging in style from the early eclecticism of Akbar to the sublime elegance of Shah Jahan. This is really something. I'm really so impressed. Every time you go through, there's something really impressive and really magical about this place. And you can see this was built in 90 years. That's a very long time. And it just feels that there's so much history here. There's a lot of things that happened here. And the architecture is just mesmerizing. This fort just keeps on giving, and I think we're just gonna cover 25% of this fort because the 75% is still with the military. Isn't it amazing? We're still very far, but if you look at the details from that building, the intricate details, it's really amazing. It's a very interesting story. So this is where all the concubines gossip, and you see the little arches up there. Whenever there's a show, each concubine will occupy like one arch, and then the king will be at the main arch. And it's just really amazing to be here at this courtyard because the details are so intricate. It's made of red sandstone, and it used to be a lot colorful before some of the details were destroyed, but it's still very impressive despite the destruction of some of the details. So if ever you are coming here to Agra, don't skip Agra Fort. Don't just go to Taj Mahal because this is a very wonderful and amazing structure. just saw Taj Mahal from one of the windows there. And now we're continuing to exploring the fort.
Then you start to miss your girl.
Wow! Look at this. Like, literally, each time we move, we are treated to a nice view. And on that end, you can take a photo of Taj Mahal.
I'm gonna throw this coin to there. Let's say it goes to other side or not, because it is closed. Yep. Yeah, you can. So he's gonna throw it there. Let's say it goes to other side. Yeah.
Okay, so we were asked by our tour guide if that window is closed or open. And because from this point of view, it looks closed. But then he threw a coin and it went in. So we're just gonna go inside and see how it looks from inside.
French architecture is called trompe l'oeil, which means trick of the eyes. Similar type of window we had this side and that side.
So now you can see it's open. Just look at this courtyard. Let's tour this courtyard together. I'm just really impressed with what I'm seeing. You know, every space is just so beautiful and just so magical. And you think they'll run out of tricks, but no, everything is so special. From the architecture, from all of the details, from the grandeur of this place. Just look at that. Wow. And now I will just go one round this courtyard. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see the garden in the middle. You can see fountain. It's not working right now, but there used to be a fountain there. And even the doors, like the details you can see there, even the arches, everything. Now we're in another space, another square, and look at that view. I'm currently here at the middle of the last courtyard that we're gonna visit here at Agra Fort, and this completes the 25% the tourists can visit. And the other 75 is currently occupied by the military. They just live there. And so our tour guide just told us we're not really missing anything, but this is really super unexpected. Usually when people come here to Agra, they just go straight to Taj Mahal, but I think Agra Fort is worth the visit. Just look at this view. It's full of history, a lot of stories as well. You can see the different cultures. And this was built for 90 years. That's a very long time, and a lot of things happened in this place. I can really spend maybe just like at least half a day here, even one day, just marveling on the different views and different structures, the intricate art that is available here at Agra Fort. It's already 1:36 in the afternoon, and we are about to leave Agra Fort. It's really worthwhile to come here, and there's so much to see. If you're watching this, just come to Agra Fort. Alright, that's it for Agra Fort, and later I will see you at the Taj Mahal.